I need $20 more. Oh, she lied. Hey, pressure. Call what phone? What phone you call? What phone you call? When you call me? I guess you got. When you call me? You got a new number? Your number said. No, they ain't saved in my phone. What number? You got a new number? Cause your name is saved in my phone as Chaz. You didn't text me? How am I supposed to know it's you? If you change your number, I don't know it's you. If you change your number, how am I supposed to know? The old number saved is in the phone is Chaz. Better text the phone number. Again? Again? Not again. Tell me if you got a new number. Congrats. I need 20 more. I need $20 more, please. Can y'all send me dollars, please? Sorry, it's hot here, honey. Sweat. Who's hot over here? Hey, Congo. I just need to get $20 more. It's hot here. Hate being hot. I need 20 more. Oh, that was fine.
Hey, Maggie.
Who is that?
I was watching you on Baddies, girl. That's all.
Hi.
What you doing?
Trying to get $20 for my shopping tomorrow.
For your
Household.
who? You want shopping?
Household. Trying to get $20 more.
Oh, shit. Okay.
You got a dollar you can spare?
I might got you. I might got you. Let me see what I got, and I'll let you know.
I like dollars.
Me too. Me too, girl. Me too.
Yeah, so I ain't asking the whole thing.
I'm gonna see what I got, and I got you. I got you. I'm gonna see.
I'm just asking 20 people to send me a dollar. That's right.
All right. I'm gonna see.
Or 50 of them send me a dollar. See, sweating. It ain't good. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. I can't be sitting on live with clothes